Hello everyone, today is Wednesday, August 2nd, and this video is going to be not too long today. I'm going to show a few charts. Trader Jim sent me a very short live video on the 10-minute chart, but just a few things to discuss here. You know, once again, if you're thinking about getting NinjaTrader 8 version, if you're waiting, we will have it very soon, so you might as well get 7 and learn it so you're ready to go with NinjaTrader 8. There's no question that the AutoTrader is an extremely valuable tool to help you qualify for a combine. No doubt about it. On this chart, what I wanted to show here today is that's really important and unique is on this chart of the 10-minute that's been extremely reliable. I changed it to a 50-tick pullback, and there was tremendous volatility today, and I got filled. And by going from a 20 to a 50-tick pullback, that allows me to trade with a tighter stop loss because I'm pulling back more, therefore I don't have to go as much in my profit. I'm going to hit my, I got a 30-tick jump on my profit target, so I can actually reduce my stop loss a little bit because I'm pulling back more. The 10-minute chart has been shown to pull back anywhere from 20 to 100 ticks. So I got filled not once but twice, and I raised the goal here to 500 on this chart, trading 6 contracts in the micros, which is $3 a tick instead of $5 a tick. So it's pretty impressive that I hit a $500 goal in the micros, trading just 6 contracts, and I got filled on a 50-tick pullback 2 times. So there was a short, and then this long pulled back. So even in the midst of this sell-off and rebound, and then another sell-off, I was filled. So that's pretty impressive overall, and is testimony that you can indeed trade the micros with the AutoTrader. Okay, another impressive couple of trades on the micros. Again, on a 250-tick line break chart, there was a couple of trades here, and this hit its goal of 400, I believe. 375. So finished at 388, so had some positive slippage. And this is also trading, wow, this is only trading 3 contracts. So this is extremely impressive. With I meant to trade 6, but I put 0 here, and so the fact that it's only trading 3 contracts make this really really stand out, because 3 contracts is only $1.50 compared to $5 on the full-size contract. So it's only $1.50 per point at 3 contracts. So that's pretty impressive that it did 388 on all these trades. So again, you can trade the micros with the AutoTrader. Here's another chart trading the micros with the AutoTrader, this time on the Super Inc. 06, and this one is trading 8 contracts, which would be $4 a point. And I have fixed targets here of 45, 55, and 65 ticks, scaling out at 2, 3, and 3 with a goal of 400. And there was a loser here as this starts trading a little bit before the open. There was a long here, and then once the market did open, we got a good fill here and pretty much 2 back-to-back trades with some improvement on the entry, where it was stopped out here, a little bit of a pullback from where we exited. So pretty nicely done on the micro contracts again. Okay, here's the full-size contract on a 10-minute chart, just trading a single contract with a 20-tick pullback, and that was filled and hit its target. And just this little tiny distance is a $500 move. So to give you an idea of what's possible in the NASDAQ, there's way more than $500 per contract, or if you're trading 2 contracts. If you would have caught, say, this long, or even got filled on this bar, there were thousands of dollars of profit in these moves today on a 10-minute chart. Okay, let's have a look at Trader Jim's brief video.
All right, so a little after 1 o'clock on 2nd of September, I had no time this morning to trade. I was not home most of the morning, but my fully automated templates ran. This, of course, is the 10-minute. And just like always, very consistent change of trend, 20-tick pullback, and hits its target of 1,000. As you can see, left a little money on the table. I'm kidding, of course. So this was the 10-minute and the 30-minute. Pretty much the same story, a change of trend. So this one starts trading at 3:30 in the morning. Let's show this. Starts trading at 3:30 in the morning. 2 contracts. And a pullback, and once again hits the targets and left a lot on the table. So I changed this now to real-time trades only, so it does not show any historical trades. You can see there are no H's next to the prices. So this was in real time, and this is an example of if you don't have the time to trade and you have an automated template that is profitable, you can just leave it running and leave the house, and then you come back and you see what the story is. Either it hits the target or it hits the stop. The point is, this software is extremely reliable, and I have no hesitation about leaving it, trading, and just leaving the house. It is that reliable. So unfortunately, this is it for today. Looks like the rest of the week is going to be busy as well. I'll do my best and hope to make a video soon.